Welcome. My name is Albert. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to teach you guys a very important lesson. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Albert. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to be better men and how to be better with women. So what is the important lesson that I'm going to teach you today, right? That important lesson is how to be the prize. And the best way I can demonstrate this is accepting nothing less than a girl's number, right? So I get this question a lot. What is the importance of a girl offering you her number versus her offering you her Instagram or social media handles, basically anything that is not her number. Here's the thing, guys, you have to understand one thing. You as a man of high value, and I'm talking to my guys that have worked on themselves, have worked on their body, are on their purpose and trying to be better in society. I'm not talking about the guy that is just a slob or, he's out here living with his mom and expects things to be handed to him. No, I'm not talking to that guy. I'm talking to you guys out there that are on your purpose, on your grind. I'm talking to guys that are out there working out, trying to be better every single day, right? Now, you are a man of value because you're trying to get value and you are striving to be better every day, okay? Now, my guys that are like this, I call you guys kings. Now, think about this. When a king asks for something, do you think he wants the second option or he wants the first option, the best of the best, right? When you ask a girl for her phone number and she offers you her social media or her, just whatever, her email, whatever it is, that is second option, guys. You want first option, her number. If I'm asking you for your number, that is what I want. I'm not coming here for your email. I'm not coming here to send you smoke screens. I'm not here to send out a raven one day. That is not what I'm here for. I am here to get your number and possibly take you out on a date, and then very, very possibly consummate this interaction with you, right? So if you go up to a girl and she says, I don't give out my number, I usually just do social media, or you can have my email. Here's the thing. When she first gives you that first initial, I don't give out my number to guys, I've had bad experiences, but I will give you my social media and I will give you my email. You politely decline and say, look, I don't do social media. I'm not really big on social media, but here's the thing. Let me get your number. We'll talk. And honestly, if we connect, we go out on a date. And if we don't connect, then it is what it is. Okay? Now, if she pushes forward and says, yo, you know what? I think you're cool, but I don't give out my number. I only give up my social media and I only give up my email. You, again, politely decline, say, you know what, man? I only do numbers. So, you know what? Have a nice day and you carry on about your day. Because here's the thing, guys. You don't want to go in for the social media. I know some dating coaches are like, oh, once you get her social media, then you can show a little bit more personality on your profile. And look, if you're going on social media to find dates, that's fine. But you're not gonna go in real life, get somebody's social media to continue the interaction online and then come back offline. I'm like, that it just to me doesn't make any sense, right? If I'm asking for your number, I want your number. I don't want your social media. I don't want your email, right? Because here's the truth, guys. If a girl is offering you her social media, she just is not that into you, honestly. Anything other than her number, she's just not into you. Because, dude, trust me, I know girls that receive 300 DMs a day. Not a day, not in a week, a day. They wake up and their DM box is just flooded. And I'm not talking about girls that have 100,000 subscribers. I'm talking about girls that have 2,000, 5,000 followers on Instagram. You know what I'm talking about? So how is she gonna differentiate you from these other guys? You know what I'm saying? Especially when she's not even gonna read it, right? So with a number, it's more personal. It gets right to it. You know, she can see you know what? Okay, I gave this guy my number, so that means I must know him. Here's the thing with Instagram, tomorrow she might forget that she met you. She's like, wait, did I meet this guy in person or what? Then you have to remind, no, guys, trust me. Go for the number, because remember, guys, you are the king, you are the prize, okay? Remember, she doesn't have to give you the number, but the thing is, that is what you want. If she doesn't give you the number, politely decline the social media and then move on. Trust me, you will have more respect for yourself, and people will have more respect for you when you know where your boundaries are and you set your goals and you know what you want, right? People will know that they cannot just push you around. Do this in everything in your life. You know, when you ask for something, that is what you want. You don't want the second thing. I want this. This is what I'm gonna get. Okay. But how about this? No. I didn't ask you about this that other thing. I asked you for this particular thing. That is what I want. That is what I want. That is what I asked for, and that is what I want. If you can't give it to me, I'm going somewhere else to go get it. Plain, point blank, period. Okay. So that is the topic for today. I'm glad you guys joined me today. If you've liked that and saw value in that, which I'm sure you did, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my following videos, okay? With that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.